So what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this short video I'm going to show you Apple released new iOS 17.1 beta 2 for iPhone and also OS 17.1 beta 2 for iPad. So in this video I'm going to show you what's new in that update and how you can get it in your iPhone if that update not showing on your iPhone. So let's start video without wasting any time and firstly move to the iPhone settings app. Scroll down, tap on general, tap on software update. Okay, as you can see iOS 17.1 beta 2 showing in my iPhone XS right now. This update about 6 gigabytes for that iPhone, and there are some new features you can see appears on screen. iOS beta gives you an early preview of upcoming apps, feature and technologies. Please back up your iPhone before you install that beta. Okay, you can see appears on screen. Here are Apple warning you that if you want to update that update in your iPhone, make sure you create a backup of your all data before you update that update in your iPhone. So if you don't see that update, you need to go back and open Safari browser and search here apple.beta.com, sign in first, and then you can easily get that update on your iPhone. With make sure you sign in that with your Apple ID. So friends, after watching this video, I hope you will all know what's new in that update and how you can get it in your iPhone. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.